What's up, guys? It's just a quick breakdown of how I trade. I'm gonna break this pair down. This is my weekly analysis for this week on USDJPY. So we're just gonna start off the bat. We're gonna go to the monthly chart. So a lot of people don't even come to the monthly chart, but we try to get a bigger perspective of how the market has been moving for a while. So we go to the monthly chart to see the bigger charts, so how it has been. So we see here, for the most part, it was in a downtrend, and still is in a downtrend if you take it right here. So I'm just gonna draw this. It's a trend line. I'm gonna put daily on it. Actually, month. So this is a monthly trend, right? The monthly trend is going down. So once we have identified that, we go to the lower time frames like the daily to see any pinpoints that we're missing, or we can think anything we can add. So we do this, and then so it is still in a downtrend. So we can confirm that. So now we look for entries, right? We have already found number one, which is what trend is it? We've identified that it's in a downtrend. Second thing is we go to the lower time frames and find if we can have any confluences, anything that indicates that it is going in a downtrend, and anything that can retrace back and we can get in on a sell without having too much of a wide of a stop loss. So something like this. After I do all that, I come to the 4 hour and then create my zones, right? Creating zones is pinpointing the lowest point of the time and then the highest points. So you try to do this so you can capture it with wherever it's going. So if the market is going something like this, you can still catch it in between this box that's going in. So we try to pinpoint this, and then next thing we do is draw the Fibonacci from the top to the bottom, right? Because we are going down. Alright. I'll make a separate video on the Fibonacci, but usually it bounces on 70 and then goes down. So that's what we see here, but anything we can see, so this is a bigger time frame, we do this, right? So we found the highest point and then we found the lowest point. So now we try to get the middle point, which is like the 50. Somewhere around here. And one quick thing, when you're doing these pinpoints, from the bottom part of the body to the wick, so down here, and then at the top, you do from the top part of the body to the top wick, like that. So your stop loss would be around there if you were going down, and this didn't happen. But since this did happen, we just draw our zones and then we go to the lower time frames to find better entries, right? So we already missed, well, not missed, but this is already gone. You can't expect it to come back, hit the 70 again over here, and then do the same thing again. It's gonna do different moves every single time. So we could take this off. Now we have the high point, the middle point, and then the bottom point. Then we go to the lower time frames like 30 minutes. After that, and again, it's still in a downtrend. See, that would have been a good point right here where it came up and rejected. I'm sure this is the 50. Yeah, so right here, came up and rejected the 50. I can see right here, that would have been a good point to sell right there. But we're looking to sell right now. So done with the past, with the present, right? So right here, it's a small range right here. But if you can catch it between, or even any rejection sign you see to the top, like for example here, rejection sign to the top and headed straight down, and then here it came to test this zone right here, but it rejected it with a wick and came straight up to this zone right here. And I feel like it's around here, right here, it's testing this zone, and if it doesn't pass, and if it shows signs of rejection, and you can get in with a short sell. Put something like this, your stop loss will be short above the previous wick, and then we target this right here. We could always do 1-to-1, secure your profits, and then we can extend it, even go all the way down here to the previous lows right here. So this is just a quick analysis on how to analyze for the week. So start off on the monthly, see what's been happening, the bigger picture, and then we get into detail in the smaller time frames, and then we take it on from there. This is just a quick video on analyzing, and this is pair USDJPY.